I'm cooking up Vedals for the Seder, just like Mama used to make, with Montreal chicken spices. So this is my crock pot, which I figure, is nice and healthy. Got a little avocado oil in there, yum, yum, yum. But then I noticed some crud in my crock pot between the lid and the handle. So I got me a Phillips screwdriver and took that sucker right off and cleaned it up. But then, hello? What is this mystery about? Why does this can have BPAs and this can does not? Or do they? This is the mysterious pinto bean can. Do they not care about pinto bean lovers? Why? So that's the mysterious can. Apparently, the lining in cans, they're saying can cause cancer. Does the can and cancer, does that just a coincidence? But, check it out, because there's just too much cancer going around. So I am trying to limit what may cause cancer, and they're saying go non-BPA if you're going to do cans. So there you go.